the length of the boundary of 50 centimeter long and 20 centimeter broad rectangular table. So already it is given the shape is of table is rectangular. So I am drawing here the rectangle shape. And you all are knowing that rectangle is having the length and the breadth. So these are that words. Long means length, L, and broad means breadth. So we are indicating this L and B in this rectangle. This is your length means long and this is your breadth. And the measurements are given. See, 50 centimeter long means L we are having, this we are having 50 centimeter, this measurement. And 20 centimeter we are having this breadth, means this measurement we are having the 20 centimeter. So if we want to find the length of the boundary of this rectangle shape, means perimeter of this rectangle shape, so formula we are knowing, right? Which formula we are using for this? So we can write here perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 multiply, in bracket we are writing L plus B. This is the formula to find the perimeter of rectangle shape. 2 multiply L plus B. So 2 multiply L means 50 centimeter and B means we are having 20 centimeter. So first of all we will do the addition of this 50 and 20. So we will get 70 centimeter. Now 2 multiplied by 70. So we will get 140 centimeter answer. So we can split like this, that the perimeter of rectangle or the length of the boundary of this rectangle shape is 140 centimeter. How much total wire is needed for 64 meter long? Long means this is we are having length, and 36 meter broad means this is we are having breadth. Rectangular fill to fence with 4 rows of thorn wire. See, in this we have to find the, already it is given the rectangular fill. So obviously this is the shape of rectangle, means rectangular fill, and in the rectangle this is length and this is breadth. So 64 meter long means length we are having 64 meter, and 36 meter broad means this we are having breadth 36 meter of this. So we have to first of all find the perimeter of the rectangle shape, means of this fill. Perimeter of rectangle, we are writing here rectangle only, means this fill, and formula we are having, we are knowing that 2 multiply L plus B means 2 multiply length plus breadth. 2 multiply length we are having 64 meter plus breadth we are having 36 meter. 2 as it is we are writing 64 plus 36 meter, 100 meter we will get as the answer, and 100 twos are 200 meter. So this is we have found the perimeter of rectangle, or else length of the boundary of the rectangle of this fill. Now in the question last sentence is given fill to fence with. That means we have to cover this field with the help of wire, with the help of thorn wire. And how many rows are there? 4 rows are there. Means 4 rows, with the help of 4 rows we are covering this field. With the help of this thorn wire. So we have to find the length of the rows, means length of the total wire is needed. So we can write like this way, that for 4 rows, 4 multiplied by 200. 4 rows we want to make, right? So 4 multiplied by 200 meter. So we will get answer 4 2s are 8. That means 800 meter. 800 meter that we have find the wire. The length of wire. So this is your number 2. Now question number 3. How much total wire is needed for 50 meter length of square fill to fence it with 3 rows of thorn wire? So shape is already given of fill. It is of square, and we are knowing that all the sides are same of square shape. So only we are having just one side, which is 50 meter. So we can speak like this, that all the sides are same. So this is of 50 also, this is of 50 meter, and this is also of 50. And the formula to find the perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. That means 4 multiplied by this one side, 50 meter. So we will get 4 5s are 20 and back side the 0. That means 200 meter we will get the perimeter of square. Also you can do like this, that you can do addition of all these 4 sides. 50 plus 50, 100, plus 50, 150, and 150 plus 50, 200 meter. So you will get the same answer. Now in the question it is given that fill to fence it with 3 rows of thorn wire, means we have to make 3 rows of thorn wire of this fence. So for 3 rows, 3 multiplied by 200 meter. See, this is very simple, that this 200 meter is the length of the one time. Means if we want to make 3 rows, 3 total rows, so we have to multiply with this 200 meter. So 2 3s are 6 and backside this 2 zeros, means 600 meter thorn wire we needed to make the fence. Question number 4 is, Bella purchased a roll of lace. A roll of lace of 20 meter. Out of that she made 1 meter 5 centimeter long, means this is we are having length, and 75 centimeter broad, means this is we are having width. 5 rectangular tablecloths. It is already given that 5 rectangular tablecloths. So shape we are having rectangular, means rectangle shape. So suppose I am drawing here the rectangle shape. So already we are knowing the rectangle is having length and breadth. Length and breadth. So this 1 meter and 5 centimeter we are having length. Means these two are same. And 75 centimeter we are having breadth. So first of all we have to find the perimeter of this rectangle shaped tablecloth. So first of all I am writing here perimeter of tablecloth, you can write, or else you can write rectangle, because the shape is already given rectangular. So the formula of this 2 multiply L plus B, length plus breadth. 2 we are writing same it is. Length we are having 1 meter and 5 centimeter. So this we have to write like this, 1.05. 1 meter 5 centimeter. So 1.05. That is 1 meter and 5 centimeter. After point, see, after point this indicates the centimeter and before point this indicates the meter. Plus breadth. Breadth we are having 75 centimeter. So 0.75. Now first of all we have to make the addition of these two numbers. So 2 we are writing same it is. Addition. This is the addition of decimal numbers. This is called decimal numbers. So you have to do the addition like this. See, this point should not be replaced. Means you have to put this point exactly downside the point. And if there is no any number, so you can write 0 in the empty space. So 5 plus 5, 10, carry on previous number, 7 plus 1, 8. Put this point exactly downside and 1 plus 0, 1. So you will get 1.80. 1.80. This is your addition. This is your answer of addition. Now 1.80 multiply by 2. See, suppose right now you are not writing this point. So multiplication answer 0 2s are 0, 8 2s are 16, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3. Now you have to keep the decimal point. See, before 2 digit this decimal point is given. So in the answer also you have to keep the point before this 2 digit, 1 2 and then this point. So answer you are getting 3.60. Now in the question it is already given that 5 rectangular tablecloths. Means she already made 5 rectangular tablecloths. And this is we are having the length of 1 tablecloth. So for 5 tablecloths, how much lace we needed? So we can do like this, that 5 multiply 3.60. So if we will multiply this 5 with this 3.60, as I told you that remove the decimal point and then do multiplication. 0 5s are 0, 5, 6 5s are 30, 3 carry, 3 5s are 15, 15 plus 3, 18. And now before 2 digit the point is given. So here also downside in the answer before 2 digit you have to keep the point. So 18 is your answer. Now you just check the question. The sentence is given that how much lace is left with her. So total roll of lace she is having 20 meter. So we have to find the left lace. So left word is given. So definitely we will do the subtraction. So from 20 meter we will subtract 18 meter. So we will get 2 meter answer. That means 2 meter less left with her. So this is your answer. So I hope that all you have understood this story sounds very well in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.